You want more local customers, so you decide to do flyers. So you go to Office Depot and print 100 flyers. It's about 20 cents per flyer just to print. Now you've got to go from home to home, or business to business, walking around, handing them out. Many end up in the trash or hopefully the recycling. So you think, okay, I'll do a postcard instead. But once you add printing, postage, mailing lists and design, you're paying 50 to 70 cents per home.
Okay, now here's where I cheat. Okay, so how do I cheat? So we take this very nice stack right here of many postcards, and they get mailed out to thousands of homeowners, and I have an awesome printer who's able to print thousands of these postcards at scale. So we can get you to homes for as little as 4 cents a home to be on one of these nice postcards. And there's magic in combining all these different organizations together. We are working together actually in order to drive the cost down of our printing, packaging, and shipping, and ultimately being seen here throughout Las Vegas. Okay? And so it's such a nice postcard that people often will save it for when they need an offer. So there's restaurants on here, there's different entertainment options. Of course, you have local service businesses too. And so the whole goal here is to end up on the fridge or on a corkboard, just like this, so that you, when the time comes to use your service, you're being seen. Okay, and so that's how Vegas Local Spotlight works. Check out my website, vegaslocalspotlight.com, if that all sounds interesting, and let's grow locally.